These 3D printers are working 24 hours a day making protective face shields. It's part of a local partnership to produce about 35 to 4,000 of these for the people who need them most.
We started to look to see who we could join up with, what we could do, and we found all these pockets of makers within the community that were already starting to create the same kind of thing that we were looking to do. And they were replicating each other's work. Everybody was trying to ask the same questions to IH. So we thought maybe we can help gather these people, and we found one person, Dallas Rodier, and he had already done the work and gotten the contacts and gotten an initial prototype to IHA. Each printer prints 2 pieces of headbands at a time, and it takes about 3 hours each, so it really is a little bit of a slow process. So what we've done is we've organized into what we call the Okanagan Makers Alliance, and that is the joining of all of those groups. So we have some larger areas like UBCO. We have, this is 2 out of the 15 printers we have running day and night. Okanagan College is also running about 11 printers, and the Okanagan Regional Library, they're running I think 4. And then what we have is a lot of members in the community using their own personal printers. So they're printing anywhere between 5 headbands to 20 headbands a day, depending on how many printers and how much time they have to dedicate to it.
So as of now, how many have you been able to create?
Sure, so as of today, we just topped up to about 400 that are here already in the makerspace and ready to be quality checked.
It requires lots of commitment, and I guess hopefully we will meet the mandate. We are doing our best. So far, I think we are in the stage of 600. We already got 600 ready to go.
And are there 3,400 to go?
To go, yes. It's going to be a long journey, but when there is a will, there is a way.
Part, I guess, that you're printing are those plastic pieces, top and bottom?
Yeah, so the pieces that we're printing are this one and this one here. These are printed in PETG filament, and that's what you see behind me. These pieces are purchased like this. They are still a prototype because they've got the sharpened edges. We'll be cutting those and chamfering those edges on a water jet cutter later. And then the last thing that we have is the elastic band that just gets pulled in and tied into a knot to adjust to the wearer. These guys can pull apart, be wiped down. They can be wiped down as is, and if somebody was worried that this wasn't wiped down, this could just be snipped off and had a new piece added. So we're hoping to be able to do something that's sustainable for our project and also reusable, and to extend the life of the piece of equipment for whoever's using it. We're all so excited to be able to do it. Just hearing from healthcare workers popping up on our public Facebook group asking when these are going to be delivered because they're hoping for them, it's really exciting for us to know that we have an end date in sight, that we're going to be able to make that first delivery.
All right, Courtney Jewell, thanks for telling us about it.
Awesome.
Thank you for watching Kelowna Now.